How to pin a comment in Facebook post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, you can see the search bar over here. So just tap on search bar and search for public post over here. And you search for it, you can see the option of followers and public content. So just tap on followers and public content. After that, it will land you to a new page where you just need to scroll down and tap on the option of show most relevant comments first. So right now it's toggled off. You just have to toggle on this option and you'll be able to pin a comment in a Facebook post. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.